The dream of our founder, Maharshi Dhondo Keshav Karve, of lighting a lamp of women's education has blossomed into a banyan tree, one of the branches of which is Vision English Medium School. Vision English Medium School was first established on 14th June 2004 in the Karvenagar campus of the Sanstha. As the school evolved, it shifted to a 4-acre campus within the vicinity of nature in Narhe in the year 2011. The school basically follows the SSC board curriculum but strives hard to strike a balance between the difficulty levels of the CBSE board and the SSC board by adopting certain textbooks which will enable the students to come up to the level of the CBSE board. The school also adopts a child-centric mode of education and hence follows the project method at the pre-primary level. At the primary and secondary levels, the school believes in stringently following the rules and regulations laid by the government and hence evaluates the students on the basis of formative and summative evaluation. This policy of the school has paid off in terms of 100% result in the SSC board exams for the past 6 consecutive years. The educational enhancements would not have been possible without well-qualified and efficient teaching fraternity and the strong base of infrastructure to support the school's endeavors. Hence, the school is donned by a doll's house, a block's corner, a playroom, and a sandpit, which are essential for pre-primary education, enabling social, emotional, and intellectual growth of the students. The school also possesses classrooms having e-learning facilities, a well-equipped mathematics laboratory, a science lab, a geography lab, a state-of-the-art computer lab, music room, art and craft room, library, and a huge ground for the students to play. The school is the proud owner of a butterfly garden called Bellora. All this has helped the school to bring about a tremendous enhancement in the academic and educational aspect of its students. Looking at the endeavor of all-round development of the students, besides the curricular and co-curricular activities, the school also offers enhanced learning activities which give the students a chance to discover their talents and develop new hobbies. The school is very concerned about the health and well-being of the students. Hence, it is donned by the sick room and the counselor's room, catering to the first aid and good mental health of the students respectively. The school intends to acquaint its students with the Indian culture and imbibe the Indian values in them. Hence, several festivals are celebrated in the school with great pomp and zeal. Additionally, the school intends to develop a competitive spirit amongst its students and hence gives paramount exposure to inter-school and intra-school competitions. In order to give the parents a glimpse into the children's academic and overall progress, the school conducts at least 4 parent-teacher meetings and a parenting workshop each year wherein the parents receive cues to bring about development in their wards. Let us take a glimpse at what the HM of the school has to say.
Hello to everyone and namaskar. I, Mrs. Kanchan Satpute, welcome you to the platform of digital media and extend gratitude to all those who have spared their valuable time to see this video. With the vision statement of innocence growing to excellence in mind, we strive hard to fulfill our mission of enabling students to give a learning process which is activity based. Our curriculum is designed to include visual, auditory and kinesthetic learners who get several enriching learning experience through specific skill-based training with the definite goal of holistic development. Here at Vision, we firmly believe that our children should not suffer due to excessive competition, aggressiveness and the rat race which hamper growth. The school thus tries to instill the Indian values, culture, traditions, problem-solving and decision-making abilities, creativity, social responsibility, self-esteem, self-expression and self-introspection. Each and every stakeholder of the school is aware of what they do and why they do it, and thus strongly keep faith in developing socially responsible, aesthetically sound, emotionally balanced, well-qualified, good-natured, disciplined, moral patriots of India.